Hey guys, Harsh here and welcome back to Technoloop. This is the Redmi smartwatch. Alright, welcome back. So this is it. This is the Redmi smartwatch. Now Redmi is a budget centric brand. So whenever they launch a product, they launch it with some really good features at a very attractive price point. Now this smartwatch is no exception to that. It comes with some really cool features for a very affordable price. Now today in this video, let us talk in detail about the Redmi smartwatch. Also, I am going to be giving away one Redmi smartwatch to one lucky viewer out there, and we will talk about this towards the end of the video. Let us start with the design and build quality. Now this is a pretty minimal smartwatch and it is very lightweight as well. It weighs in only at 35 grams, which is extremely light. You won't feel the weight of this smartwatch on your wrist, which I do appreciate. Now it comes with a square display and not a round display. Personally, I prefer round displays because they feel more natural to me, but this one has a square display. And also the display has huge bezels, so it's not an edge-to-edge display, it has pretty big bezels. As for the case goes, it comes in 3 color options, that is ivory, blue and black. The one that you see in this video is ivory and I would not choose it. I would rather go with the blue one because that looks stunning. Now as far as the straps go, you can choose between 4 colors, ivory, blue, black and also olive. So olive is the extra color for the straps. It's good to see that Redmi is launching this smartwatch with a good amount of color options. Now as for the build quality, it's a pretty normal watch. Like it's not cheap, but it's not premium either. Just a normal build quality. Now that display up front is a 1.4 inches 320 by 320 TFT LCD panel. So it's not an AMOLED panel, it's a TFT LCD panel which has a brightness of 350 nits. Now the display quality is pretty good for the price of this smartwatch. It is also covered with 2.5D curved glass, which gives it more depth and looks really good. So when you wear this watch on your wrist, because of that 2.5D curved glass, this smartwatch looks good. Now this is a full touchscreen display, so you can swipe around various applications and interact with this smartwatch via touch. The second way for interaction is via a button over here. Now this is a multifunction button. It will unlock the watch, and also when you press it, it will show you all the apps that are available and you can choose the app and go inside it. So yes, it does come with a multifunction button as well. Now it is time to talk about the main thing with any smartwatch, and those are the smart features. The Redmi smartwatch comes with a bunch of smart features. First up, it comes with a heart rate sensor, which is very useful for tracking your fitness data. It comes with a lot of inbuilt sports mode like running, hiking, swimming and even cricket for that matter. So if you want to track your fitness data, then you can easily do that with the help of this smartwatch. Now one good thing over here is that it also comes with a built-in GPS. That means when you go for a run, you do not need to carry your smartphone with you. It has a built-in GPS which will help you track your run. So that is a pretty sweet thing. Now apart from that, it also comes with other smart features like music control. You can control the music of your smartphone via this smartwatch. It also has alerts for your calls. Now you cannot answer your calls on the smartwatch because it does not have a microphone and speaker, but you can reject the call right from your smartwatch, or you can silent the call as well. Apart from that, you'll also get all your notifications on this smartwatch. You can go into the app and choose the individual applications from which you want notifications on your smartwatch. Now talking about the application is the Xiaomi Wear application on Android and Xiaomi Wear Lite on iOS. This application has come a long way in terms of stability. When it was first launched, it was really bad, but right now it's pretty good and it comes with a lot of features. The app will store all the data of your smartwatch and you can access it from one place. For example, it will store your fitness data, your sleep data. Yes, it does come with sleep tracking and all your other things. You can also change the watch face from this app. Now this is one important point over here, watch face. So built in, it will come with 5 to 6 watch faces, but on the application you will find over 200 cloud watch faces. So you can download those watch faces and set them right on your smartwatch, which is a pretty sweet thing. Having a good amount of watch faces is extremely important for a smartwatch, and this smartwatch does have that. Now apart from all this, it also has features like idle alert, weather reporting, find my phone, alarm, etc., which you can use if you want to. Now, there's one thing missing on this smartwatch, and that is the SpO2 sensor. The entire world is facing a pandemic, and during this time it is very important to keep a tab on your blood oxygen level. So it would have been good to have an SpO2 sensor built into your smartwatch. Now, I did ask Xiaomi about this and they gave a very good answer for this. They said that the SpO2 sensor that they want to use is not up to the mark. Like, it's not giving accurate results as of yet, so they are still working on that and they might launch it in some future product. And I guess that's a good move. If the technology is not ready yet, then they should not use it because it is very important to have accurate data. Alright, moving on, let's talk about battery life and charging. Now, Redmi claims a battery life of up to 10 days for this smartwatch, but in my testing period, I was getting somewhere around 6 to 7 days, which is still pretty impressive. 6 to 7 days battery life on a smartwatch is really impressive because I use an Apple Watch on a daily basis, which I have to charge on a daily basis. That is very annoying, but this one did not disappoint in terms of battery life. As for the charging, it comes with a magnetic charging dock inside the box itself, and this is a very convenient thing. It's not like Xiaomi has cheaped out on the charger, nothing like that. They are giving you the magnetic dock. Now, if I had to guess the price of this smartwatch, I'm gonna say somewhere around 4,000 rupees. Redmi might just surprise us with a lower price point as well, because that's what they do. But if I had to put a guess, I would say 4,000 rupees. But nevertheless, by the time you watch this video, you will already know the price, and I will make sure to update it in the description box below. Along with that, I'll also drop a link to purchase this smartwatch because it's an incredible one, and I do recommend it. It can be a perfect gift for your loved ones. Now it is time to talk about that giveaway. So yes, I will be giving away one Redmi smartwatch to one lucky viewer out there. What do you have to do to enter this giveaway? It is pretty simple. Number 1, subscribe to the channel. Number 2, like this video. And number 3, go to my Instagram page and there you'll find a reel about this smartwatch. On that reel, drop a comment and tag 2 of your friends, and that's it. You will be entered in the giveaway. One random winner will be chosen in a couple of weeks and the winners will be announced on my Instagram page itself. So make sure to stay updated over there. So anyway, this was my review of the Redmi smartwatch. Do let me know how you feel about this video in the comment section down below. If you like this content, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. It would mean the world to me. My name is Harsh Punjabi and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.